I think the 40 Under 40 program is huge for our community. Why? Because when you are able to recognize young leadership early on in their careers, promote it, make that as the leadership example in our community, and have those folks interact through time, to me, what you're doing is you're fostering the next generation, and you're selecting out folks to go forward and continue the work.
Congratulations to this class. Enjoy it, soak it up, relish it, and be proud. It may be a plaque for your counter, but it's so much more than a paperweight. It's so much more than that. It absolutely, it is a symbol of the city. It's a symbol of the future, the life, the energy, the future of Peoria. The sky's the limit, and be proud, march on, enjoy it. Congratulations.
You know, I think the biggest thing is that, and I truly mean this, but Peoria has truly changed since even 2006 when Chris got it, 2009, 2010.
I think people need to be aware of the 40 Under 40 and make sure they're really looking around at their workplaces and in their community, that there are people who are under 40 that are doing amazing things, and many of those people are doing things under the radar.
You know, one of the things that I've noticed about them is that these are individuals that step forward. They're volunteers. They give their time, their energy, their effort, their resources, their money. They make these projects that they're on work. And I often think what a great thing that has been. It makes our neighborhoods better. I run a business. It's made my business run smoother. And I've been able to follow the careers of these people, and I see them in government, and I see them continuing to take the lead, and I'm so proud of them.
I want to congratulate Jan Wright and Central Illinois Business Publishers for the work that they've done over the last 20 years in terms of their dedication and commitment to our community, and their effort in putting this together, 40 Leaders Under 40, is just amazing. The people that we've recognized over those 20 years.
40 members each year, and seeing where they come 10 years down the road. In our case, 8 years down the road. You know, we're married, and you know, obviously would not have met without that opportunity. So we definitely thank you for that, and encourage it. Hopefully, another 20 years down the road, we'll see 20 times 40 would be 800 new leaders in the next 20 years as well. So thank you very much.
I think with this award really focusing on that younger generation, they have touch points with the people that are currently in school, people that are in college at this point, and people who are really starting out. And so it's that bridge between those that may be of a later generation and are more settled, and those that are starting, those up and coming energies. And so it really defines that sort of bridge that can build a relationship between the two.
I think, just from my own experience, having attended the reception banquet for the last probably 5 or 6 years, it's such an uplifting time for the young people in this community, and for those of us that witness that ceremony before you have an opportunity to be inducted. It gives you something to work towards.
And I think that's what makes it successful, because it has a group of people who live here. They really do live down the street. They really do work across the hall.
And so I want to be one of the many to say congratulations for what you've done, but more importantly, what you'll do in the future. You are the new leaders of Central Illinois. You're the ones that will take us to a different level.